I'm here to tell you that taking your Genesis to a Genesis dealership is not as much of a nightmare as everyone makes it out to be. And I think there's one major reason for that. Genesis has officially started to separate from Hyundai dealerships and is opening up their own standalone dealerships. Alongside that, when you take your Genesis to a Genesis dealership to be serviced, you deal exclusively with a Genesis service team, which in my case has always been extremely professional and easy to work with. There's also a Hyundai service team there at the dealership, but you don't deal with them unless you own a Hyundai vehicle. So the two car brands are totally separate, and I imagine you probably receive different levels of treatment in terms of professionalism. Now, obviously, this is all based upon my own personal experiences, and I'm not saying that all Genesis dealerships are good. I'm sure there's bad ones out there. But I definitely think Genesis has upped their game and made their service experience for Genesis customers top notch compared to what you're going to get at a Hyundai dealership. So take this as you will, but I'm just sharing my own personal thoughts and experiences at my local Genesis dealership.